There we go. So that's where we find that. Oh yeah, just comes right off. Yep, so does that. Okay. And that's what that looks like. This will have to. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of damage right here that we're gonna have to deal with. And actually, the one spot right now, so I don't want to be grinding that on the gravel. We can just take a lot of times you can use heat. That one popped out pretty nice. We're probably going to have to use a little heat to get that plastic reformed into a nice shape. But now, there's no big dent in it. So set this outside. We're going to have to sand it and plastic on a couple spots. That'll be a big part of the project. Set it off to the side for now. But right now we want to get to this damage right here. So this isn't supposed to be, it's supposed to be a solid side. That's why I got the other tail light out. So I can kind of look at this side going, it's supposed to look like that. And I want it on this side to look like that, mirrored obviously, so. That's where that piece got on and up. Okay. So I'll work on this for a little bit and we'll come back to you. So this is what we got so far. We gotta take the bumper off because we gotta get to more damages down here. Straighten it out. I mean, it's coming along. It's not gonna be perfect, but that's why you got Bondo. But we're gonna try and make it to where we have as little Bondo as possible, obviously. But that's what we got so far. Like I said, we gotta take this bumper off, kind of in our way. So what I'm doing right now is taking the bolts off for it. Should be able to pop it off pretty easy, really. Put these in the bolt box. I'll put the bolt box in here so that there is a tab broken right here, so I'm not sure. I mean, it's all still there, so I think I could probably, like I'm gonna have to do here, I'm gonna plasti weld it. I'm maybe repainting a bunch of all this. Once I get it off, I can pop this out too. Then this needs to be back into place and plasti welded too, so I get this bumper off either way and work on it. Bolts just don't need to come out. So. That damage down there worked out. We've been pushing and stretching and beating. I think we're pretty dang close. Right there, we'll have to bring that out a little bit. This up here is going to need a little work, but it's all got to be repainted and everything anyway, so. Put the nut on the back of this so it don't fall out and break. Back here, in retrospect of what it was, looks better, so. You do a little more beating and pounding on it. Maybe somewhere right there. I don't really care what this looks like necessarily. What this comes out to be is what I'm trying to work on. Longer arms. a vent that goes here, so I'm going to try and keep this shape. So you at least put the vent back in. The other side don't have this vent, so I don't really have a reference to go look and go, okay, that looks good. So let's get up to that pretty much. So I need to bring this out and kind of make it a little more crisp edge, means less Bondo. Get that hammer on it from the inside, but I'm going to move this so we don't break it. So it's going to be beaten on right directly where I need to be. What's that looking like? Okay, so we got to take these off because the other trunk already has it. So what we're going to do, we've done a lot of metal work here. A lot of the ugly part, luckily, is like where you're never going to see it. But right now, our tail light fits pretty good over here. We're still like a little bit of work to do, so I don't have to use a lot of Bondo. We just want to skin coat to make it look good. We're going to try and work some of that crinkling out, but I don't know how much we can do that. But we're going to take these off. I think they're bent because when the trunk was on here, it was kind of leaning off the other side. So we're just going to replace the whole thing. It came with them, might as well. So we'll take these off. We're going to put that other trunk on. We'll put the tail light in and close it. So make sure we line up here. It lines up here pretty good. I got to make this edge a little less bumpy. But other than that, it's Bondo work and painting. Then putting it all back together. So I'm going to go get that other trunk, and then we'll put it on and see if it lines up. So this trunk up here, a couple things I've learned from doing a little bit of body work. I haven't done a lot at all. But there's little spots on there where there's no paint. So when you go back to put something together, you just line up the washer with the no paint. Usually you'll get pretty damn close because then it'll latch in. A lot of times if it's the same part that you took off, which this is not, it'll just go right back where it needs to be and latch into the latch. But hopefully this is close enough and we don't have to do a lot of adjusting. Tighten this down. We're going to be using these trunk hinges. We'll be having to paint those too, which is fine. Easy enough. I'll paint this whole trunk, but what I am going to do, I'm going to cheat and at least swap that. spoiler on there, which is white on the other one. This one's peeling anyway, so put the white one on there. That's one less thing I got to paint. So here's the moment of truth. Pop that in there. Let's see. Is it lined up? But as you see, this is not adjusted right, so we gotta pull that one of the bolts out and bring it up. But it did latch, so we're pretty dang close. So we get that lining up good first, and then we'll put the tail light in. So our trunk is a little out of adjustment because this, when we got hit, bent the latch over. You kind of see it right there. So instead of buying a new one, I'm just going to massage it back over. That looks pretty good. Let's see what happens. Good. The body line's looking good. See, this side needs to come down a little bit in the front, but that's alright. That's pretty dang close. Body line is tight, but I don't think it's supposed to be quite that tight. It's better than the old trunk. So, I'm going to pop it over. I'm going to put the tail light in. See, this is pretty close. We might actually loosen this up and bring it down a little bit. For now, we'll put the tail light in and see where we're at. For alignment on it. That's pretty good. I'll be able to kind of adjust that and put a little bit of Bondo. I don't want to put a lot. I don't want it to be filled with Bondo. So as we come down, I just want to look here. So right here at the top we can see we're not lining up. So we need to bring the top of the taillight over somehow. Otherwise, this right here looks pretty damn good. Top of the taillight is not. That's why. I don't know. Do a little adjusting, and we'll see what we can do.